Hello! This is Patrick. You're watching Tesla Trip. I'm in Gothenburg, Nebraska, and I'm on my way from Des Moines back towards the Denver area. It's pretty cool. They've got chargers all over the place. I think it's saying we only need like 3 or 4 stops to make it all the way, although we're stopping at every charger, because otherwise we're stuck charging for almost an hour at each one. But if you go to every charger along the way, then you've only got to stop for like maybe 15 or 20 minutes. It's been pretty good. This station here in Gothenburg's got 8 stations, and there's a little restaurant, and they've even got a Sun Country Highway Level 2 charger. Stayed at the Comfort Suites on the way here, and it was pretty nice. Anyways, I just wanted to give you an update on some of the crazy Tesla news that's been going on. Tesla went bankrupt, or that was the April Fool's joke anyways. No real bankruptcy.
Elon was having some fun at the expense of Tesla doubters on Easter Sunday / April Fool's Day. He put out this statement on Twitter. Despite intense efforts to raise money, including a last-ditch mass sale of Easter eggs, we are sad to report that Tesla has gone completely and totally bankrupt. So bankrupt, you can't believe it. There are many chapters of bankruptcy. As critics so rightly pointed out, Tesla has all of them, including chapter 14 and a half, the worst one. Elon was found passed out against a Tesla Model 3 surrounded by Teslaquilla bottles, the tracks of dried tears still visible on his cheeks. This is not a forward-looking statement because obviously, what's the point? Happy New Month! And there's Elon with his bankrupt sign. So that's a little fun when there's been some bad news in the past week. Tesla's been kind of having a hard time, but it's not all bad news. Tesla had a record production of almost 35,000 vehicles last quarter. Around 10,000 of them were Model 3 vehicles. So it still produced the most Model S's and then Model X's, of course, and then the Model 3 around 8,000. But most of them shipped out just last month. So the production ramp is going exponentially higher for the Model 3s. So Model 3 is now, in America, officially the best-selling electric car because in March they shipped out a bunch of them. That's when we got our Tesla Model 3. Although they're producing over 2,000 units per week, they didn't meet the goal of 2,500 units per week, so they're behind schedule on building this over 500,000 pre-orders of the Tesla Model 3s. So Elon says that he's back to sleeping on the factory floor. He's taking over the production of the Model 3 from Doug Field. Doug Field was in charge of not only the production but also the engineering. So Elon's taking over on part of that to oversee it and help build the ramp up. He did a similar thing with the Model X when they were having some production issues. When they were coming off the line, the quality wasn't as good as it needed to be. I don't know if that's the best thing for a CEO to do, but it does show that they're dedicated and they want to make sure that things are, working out good. Also, in Tesla news, the new navigation engine's being pushed out, and it's a very welcome update. The old one was very clunky and directed you in weird directions and has been getting worse over the years. This is all vector. It's smooth, even on the older MCUs. It updates them to be at a much similar speed of the new MCUs that are in the Model 3s and the new Model S and X's that have been shipping out over the past few weeks. Hopefully I'll be getting that update soon. And in another update, Elon tweeted out that they will be pushing a button to allow for update requests. So if your Tesla's not running the latest firmware, you can hit a button and it'll request that it download the latest firmware. The way it works right now is they just kind of randomly push them out at times, and if your car is in the optimal conditions, it'll receive the update so you can apply it. So if you're driving around and you interrupt the download, you'll have to wait until the next push, and this can delay you from getting an update, especially if you're parking like a metal garage, for weeks. So this is a welcome feature. I can't wait to get it. Hopefully it'll be soon.
Teslaquilla. Elon's going to be selling it for realsies, I guess. Tesla stock went down and then up. It made it look like the Tesla symbol. Lots of crazy news in Tesla land. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you like these videos. I'll be posting more later. See you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, click the notifications button, And if you want to help charging out in Wyoming, we've got Wild West EV. There's a link at the bottom, and you can sponsor a charging station for only a couple bucks. We'll put your name on a website, or you can sponsor like an actual station and have your name on a sign.